Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Brad here. So today I'm going to give you a limit order tutorial. So this is my son's investing account. He's 1 year old, doing pretty well for 1 year. You'll see we have buying power here at $150.40. So every month my wife and I contribute $125. We just got this morning a $25 dividend from Tech, which is a company we own in this portfolio. So I want to give this limit order tutorial on buying Uber, okay? So first I'll explain the difference between a market order and a limit order. So if I wanted to buy Uber right now, the current price is $24.88. So I could just go in here and buy right at the market order. So you'll see market price 24.88. I could put the number of shares in and just execute it right away at that price. Now, one trick to get stocks cheaper than what they're currently at for the market, if you look here, you'll see open, high, and low. So that's for today. This means that during the course of the day, the low price for Uber stock was 24.81 and the high was 26.76. So if this morning I had set a limit order at 24.81, it would have executed during the day when it reached its lowest point. Of course, I wouldn't have known what that low was going to be. But in this example, I'm actually going to place a limit order for Uber where I set the price. And if it hits that price at any time over the next 3 months, it will execute, okay? And one way to do that, we can see what it's done over the last 3 months. So if I click on this, I can see it got down to 1482 over the last 3 months. Now that's pretty good. That's a lot lower than it is now. So, because we're, in such volatile times in the market, I'm going to just hope it gets back down that low sometime in the next 3 months. And I'm going to place an order at $15 per share. So that's what a limit order does for you. You can set the price at 15. If it hits 15 at any point in the next 3 months, it will execute. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to hit trade. I'm going to hit buy. Now I'm going to scroll down to limit order. I want limit price at 15. We'll do market hours. And I'm going to hit this July 1st, 2020. So if at any time in the next 3 months it hits 15, it'll automatically buy those shares. I could do today as well, but I think the chance of it getting down to 15 today is virtually impossible. So I'm going to click on this July 1st, 2020. Now I want 10 shares because I have $150 to work with in my account. And then we're going to click review. You're placing a good till canceled limit order to buy 10 shares of Uber. Your pending order, if executed, will execute at $15 per share or better. So I just swipe up and the order was received. So now I don't have to follow the price of Uber. I don't have to check on it every day to see if it's gone down to 15. I can just set it and forget it. And if it gets to 15, it's going to execute. If it doesn't, it will expire after 3 months. So I really like this approach. If you're following a company, you know what price you really want to own it at, but you don't want to track it every day. This works great so for example, Uber I think is probably worth around $36 per share. If I can get it at 15, that's an incredible margin of safety. I'm getting it for more than 50% off. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. And you can see in here under the stocks section, you can see that order that was placed. Submitted April 1st, good till canceled, 10 shares at $15 per share. And I can cancel this anytime if I change my mind, if I no longer want these shares at 15, if something else comes along where, I think that $150 would be better spent. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. How to place a limit order. Whenever I buy a stock, I place a limit order because, you know, I know that even throughout the day, the price is going to fluctuate. And if I can get the stock at a little cheaper than what it's currently at, I don't know, that just makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside. So that's it for the tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. I know at other brokerages, like I use TD Ameritrade for my retirement account, you can set a limit order for the day. I don't know if they have the 3-month option. But, bigger brokerages like this, I'm sure they have multiple options for the time period that you can set these limit orders. All right, guys, that's all I got. I hope you have a great day. Again, leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Love it if you subscribe for more videos coming like this very soon. And hit that thumbs up if you appreciated the content in this video. All right, guys, have a great day. Take care.